everyone, for today's video, we are going to test proteins on certain foods that is commonly available in our kitchen. We are going to test proteins with the use of copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. So without further ado, let's start. So first procedure, let's put the specimen into our test tube. Next procedure,
Put 3 ml water into the solution. Take note, ml of water may vary depending on the volume of food samples inside the test tube. Next procedure, put sodium hydroxide into the solution. Take note, ml of sodium hydroxide may vary depending on the food samples inside the test tube. Procedure number 4, put copper sulfate into the solution. Take note, ml of copper sulfate may vary depending on the food samples inside the test tube. Procedure number 5, mix the solution and set aside for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat all the steps until all food samples are finished.
So as we have observed,
food sample of beef longanisa turns dark purple as an indication of protein content. Cow's meat also turns dark purple as an indication of protein content.
that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you will learn something from my demonstration. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on my next video.